Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge with this Swapnil, and in this video I will show you how you can easily add blur effects in DaVinci. Let's say if you are doing some video editing, you are showing screen but you want to hide particular element, then from where you exactly add blur elements and how you can adjust it, I will show you in details. Let's start it. So for that I have already recorded one video, so I will just open it. And from this DaVinci, what you have to go is you have to go to the second tab and you have to insert that file. So let's say import. I have file open in my I have file ready in my desktop, so I will click on my desktop and I will open this. So this is a sample file, okay, and what I will do is I will add over here. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to apply some effects, right? The blur effects. So from where exactly? So this is my video. I will just expand this. Okay, so from here let's consider this particular section, screen on, and from here I want to make a blur effects on, let's say. So this is my video, right? This is I just cropped it, and what we have to do is, let's say I want to hide or blur out left hand section which is saying YouTube and my different tabs that appearing, or let's say, and I want to blur out the HTTP URL, right, the top portion. Okay, then how to do it? So in DaVinci it's very easy. What you have to do, you have to select the portion that what you want to exactly blur out. So from here what you have to do is you have to select that particular portion where you want to apply that effect. So let's say I want to apply effect for whole, or let's say this particular section. So I will crop this section. Otherwise you can, if you want to apply it for a whole video, then you can do it. And then what you have to do is you have to select, you have to come to this particular section, right? And then you have to go over here, and there is a different effects, right? Or you can directly go over here, this particular circular icon. Okay, you have to go over here and you have to select your particular particular portion of your video, right? So this is my second last portion where I can play it also here, and let's apply on the left hand side first. So what I will do is on this particular section I have clicked. Now these are the different effects, or these are the different shapes that are available: linear, circular, polygon, curve. So I will go through one by one. Let's click on the first one. Okay, so this particular effect is, it's like you can expand it, and it's like a linear where you can make different, you can adjust accordingly. If you see, I can make like means if you have something like, if you want to showcase over here, you want to adjust from here side, this linear effect is very cool, right? Means you can make according to your need, right? Let's say, and again these are the three different dots that you can do it. You can do it in a multiple ways, right? So by using this effect you can hide out this particular section. So let's say if I want to hide this whole YouTube thing on the left hand side, so what I'll do is I will adjust accordingly, right? You have to just select properly, otherwise it will not work. Okay, see, that's the thing, you have to carefully select the dots and then you have to adjust. Okay, let's say this particular portion I want to blur it out, so I will click over here on this particular section. If you see over here, you have to make it, or you have to expand this to all the way to the top. And now if you observe this, if you are not see here properly, then go over here and now see. If I play this, because I have applied on this particular section, on previous video it's showing properly, now if I apply this, it's showing blur. Okay, so this is how you can apply it. This is the first thing. And let's say if I try to apply, means let's try on this particular video, the last one and try to add different effects. So again, go to this particular section. Now you have a circular thing as well as the this pencil icon also, right, which is a polygon, which is my favorite. So you can adjust accordingly and as per your need. Let's say I want to make it like this, you can make it like this. You can create a shape according to your need. Like let's say if I want to expand this from the center, I can do it, or I can apply like this, or if I want to make this or this. You can create any shapes by using dots, right? You have to just click on any of the line and dots will create it, and then you can adjust it. So I want to just hide the URL. So what I will do is, now again I will go to this blur section. I will make a radius, this particular thing, at the top. We'll move it to the top, and if you see, your video is blurred out. So now again, if I play this, you will see here it's blurred out, means it's blur out. Now you can't see what exactly the URL is. So the same way you can apply different shapes. Right, again, if you go and if you apply like a circular thing, let's say, so what will happen is, okay, so you have to, let's say if I want to hide this technical knowledge beta or the period video, so you can just adjust this. It will adjust circularly. So, or you can just like oval shape or something like that we can say, and you can do it. So these are the different options that you have available and you can do it. But pencil one, the polygon one, is my favorite, so that it can adjust properly and you can select the portion accordingly your need, right? And now you have to go to your section and you can make it out radius as at the top. If you make it at the top, it will blur out. Otherwise, if you down it, if you reduce it, then it will not. So make sure this should be at the top, and you have to select the portion, and then yeah, you are good to go. So this is how you can apply it, the blur effects, in your videos by using the DaVinci. I hope you like this video. If you like, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.